Hello everybody, and welcome to the Slide Under Tail Lifter guide for our Handy Rentals trucks. For a nice change, I'm actually stood in the sun squinting my eyes for one of these videos. So we have a few of these on the fleet in various different sizes, but they all operate in the same sort of way. They all have two handles on the back, like so. Push the two handles up and give it a good pull. That's going to bring it out to this point. Now all the trucks are simply up and down buttons, just down here. So down and up. Once the lifter's down, you can get your doors open, just like so. These doors do have little catches on the back that you can hook onto the back of the truck so it doesn't go flying in the wind. The second door is always opened by a little extra catch on the inside. You just got to run your hand up it and you'll find it. It's a little latch, just like this. Now, you'll notice as I put this up, you'll notice that it's not all the way level with the deck. It's about 3 inches off. Now to get this all the way up to the top, we have a little catcher on the side here. This is what we call the safety catcher. It stops the tail lifter going up higher than it should do when you're wanting to put it away. So what we need to do is just bring it down a little bit and flick this upwards. And this will then allow you to put the lifter all the way up and roll stuff on and off. Now what we do ask is you only put the lifter in this mode when the doors are fully open, because you'll smush the bottom of the doors otherwise. Oh, camera change. On these fold-away lifters, there is 3 main reasons why your tail lifter will not work. Number 1, your safety bar. The safety bar looks a little bit like this. It sits along the bottom of the lifter and it moves up and down like so. This is designed to stop you trapping your foot between the lifter and the back of the truck. So if this isn't all the way down, your lifter won't work. Even if the lifter isn't working and this is down, just give it a lift up and down again, reset the circuit. Now, the other reason at the back of the truck why your lifter won't work is the step. If this step here is pulled out in any way, shape or form, just a little bit, it'll completely stop the tail lifter working. So make sure the safety bar is down and the step is all the way in. Now the last thing that will stop your lifter moving is actually in the cab, and it is the cab kill switch. I'll overlay a video of where that might be on your screen right now. This could be to the right hand side of your steering wheel, left hand side, or underneath the radio in the center console. They are normally marked with a sticker, but do check with your team before you leave. And well, that is it. That's how you operate one of our slide under tail lifters. If you do have any issues or are unsure of the operation of the vehicle, please give us a call beforehand.